Hey guys, this is Noah from Noah Knows, and we are fishing a Monday night bass fishing tournament at Laurel Lake. I've got my Team Daiwa fishing rod combo, and it's spooled with an 8-pound test mono, and it is attached to my Bass Pro Shop Bone Colored Pop-R. We are fishing a one fish big fish tournament, and the water temperature is 88.5, and the water clarity is stained, and today it was hot. Let's hope the fishing is just as hot. We'll get back to you at the weigh-in, and this is Noah Knows. Let's go fishing. This is Noah Knows, one fish, big fish tournament. We got one bass in the bag, and it's a pretty decent one. We'll see how he goes. Boat 58.
Boat 58. Uh-oh, fishing. Wet feet. Oh, this goes. What's your number?
Boat 58.
Drench him off, big guy.
Stick him around that back side here. Or leave him in there and get that other now.
Yeah. You'll take it, won't you?
I keep it
That's good,
one
man.
pound. Sure.
Hold him up here. $3.88.
388. That's a good one, Noah. Oh, man. Get under his gill there.
Get him?
No, that's... He put yours back in the water.
Drop him
Noah.
back.
It's all right.
All right, let's go.
240.
Wait, is that mine?
No, he put yours back in the water.
Oh,
Already in the water.
huh.
Good deal.
388.
388. That's a good one.
Hey guys, this is Noah from Noah Knows, and I will be giving a recap on last night's tournament. First of all, I'd like to tell you that we caught a 3.88-pound largemouth, and we came in second. But given to the conditions, we'll take second anytime. Also, I'm going to give a shout out to my buddy Mike Rudder. Due to the conditions and a storm blowing in, we needed some help getting our boat and trailer in, and our buddy was there to help us out. Thank you, Mike. In this recap, I will be talking about the lessons that I've learned, the things that I've learned, and what kind of baits I used, and some products that help us along the way. First thing that I learned, how awesome it is to get paid to go bass fishing. Second thing that I learned is to always check your bait and tackle. Because today, you know how I like to fish with my Bass Pro Shops Bone Colored Pop-R? Well, I hooked a big one and the hook just snapped. It just snapped. So always check your bait before you go fishing, and especially in big tournaments like we were doing. Second bait that I used was a purple and chartreuse 1/2 ounce spinnerbait. We normally like to use spinner baits day and night, especially in stained water due to what it gives vibration. And we like to use purple at night just because purple works at night. We just been getting bites and everything, so. Yeah. Other thing that I've got right here is this G-Juice. Now, if you don't know what G-Juice is, it's this liquid that really helps fish to survive in the live well. Like last night, we hooked a fish real deep. There was some blood and stuff, you know, it wasn't moving right. So we poured us some G-Juice in there, and you can tell that it got really lively. That I couldn't hold it on in the weigh-in. Like, I dropped it 5 times. Well, as you know, I don't have sponsors. So these are just some products that I just use, you know, just to go fishing. Well, guys, this will be the recap. Thank you for tuning in. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and smash that like button. This is Noah Knows. Thank you.